Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw to MetaMask from Coinbase with network matching. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your Coinbase account. Log in using your credentials. Navigate to the Assets tab on the main dashboard. Locate the cryptocurrency you wish to withdraw. Click on the Withdraw button next to the selected asset. Choose External Wallet as your withdrawal option. Now, open your MetaMask wallet. Make sure you are on the correct network that matches your Coinbase asset. For Ethereum, switch to the Ethereum mainnet. For Binance Smart Chain, select the BSC mainnet within MetaMask. In MetaMask, click on the account icon to copy your wallet address. Return to Coinbase and paste your MetaMask wallet address in the designated field. Double-check that the address is correct to avoid any loss of funds. Select the amount you want to withdraw. Review the transaction details including fees and the total amount. Confirm that the network selected matches the network of the asset being withdrawn. After verifying, click on the Continue button. You may need to complete additional security verifications, such as two-factor authentication. Once verified, click Withdraw to finalize your request. Wait for a confirmation email from Coinbase regarding your withdrawal. After receiving the confirmation, monitor your MetaMask wallet for the incoming funds. Depending on the network and congestion, the transaction may take a few minutes to process. Once you see the funds appear in your MetaMask wallet, your withdrawal is complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.